1. Choose the low carb diet. If you want to lose weight, you should start by avoiding sugar and starch, like bread. This is an old idea. For 150 years or more there have been an infinite number of weight loss diets based on eating less carbs. What's new is that dozens of modern scientific studies have proven that, yes, low carb is the most effective way to lose weight. LC recipes F2C16-9. No text can't obviously it's still possible to lose weight on any diet, just eat less calories than you burn, right? The problem with this simplistic advice is that it ignores the elephant in the room, hunger. Most people don't like to just eat less, i.e. being hungry forever. That's dieting for masochists. Sooner or later a normal person will give up and eat, hence the prevalence of yo-yo dieting. The main advantage of low carb diets is that they cause you to want to eat less. Even without counting calories, most overweight people eat far fewer calories on low carb. Sugar and starch may increase your hunger, avoiding it may decrease your appetite to an adequate level. If your body wants to eat an appropriate number of calories, you don't need to bother counting them. Thus, calories count, but you don't need to count them. A 2012 study also showed that people on a low carb diet burned 300 more calories a day while resting. According to one of the Harvard professors behind the study, this advantage would equal the number of calories typically burned in an hour of moderate-intensity physical activity. Imagine that. An entire bonus hour of exercise every day, without actually doing it. Bottom line, a low carb diet reduces your hunger and makes it easier to eat less. And it might even increase your fat burning at rest. Study after study show that low carb is the smart way to lose weight and that it improves important health markers.